Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture we will discuss about logarithm and its properties, and we will solve some problems based on the discussion. Okay, so coming to logarithm, what is logarithm? See, if a is a positive real number other than 1 such that a to the power m equal to x, okay, where a is positive real number, positive real number, and a is not equal to 1, that is a is greater than 0, less than 1, or a is greater than 1, okay, and x is a positive real number, x is greater than 0, okay. So that a to the power m equal to x. So where in terms of logarithm we can write m equal to log x to the base a. Okay. How we call it? We say value of log x to the base a. Here a is the base. Okay. To the base a is m. Okay, so if we try to understand with some example, so one form can be converted to other. Okay, so a to the power m equal to x, and it is same as m equal to log x to the base a. Okay, so remember these two, so you can convert one form to other. So coming to one example, 10 to the power 3 equal to 1000. We know this. So if we express this in terms of log, so log, see here a is 10. So base is 10 and x is 1000. Okay. Log x to the base a equal to m. M is equal to 3. Okay. Similarly, if we consider 2 to the power minus 3, and 2 to the power minus 3 is 1 by 8. So here if we express in terms of log, so minus 3 is your m, so m is minus 3 equal to log of 1 by 8 and base is 2. Okay, a is 2. So in this way we express in terms of log. Okay, so coming to types of logarithm, commonly used logarithms are, one is common logarithm, other is natural logarithm. Okay, so what is common logarithm? In case of common logarithm, base is always 10, that is value of a is 10. Okay, if base is not given, then always consider that it is given as 10. Okay, assume base as 10. Okay, so when base is 10, it is called as common logarithm. So we express like dot log of x to the base 10. Okay, so like this we express. And what is natural logarithm? Here in case of natural logarithm, base is equal to e, which is a constant whose value is 2.71828 and so on. Okay, and we represent this as ln of x, or if we write base, then log x with base e. Okay, commonly it is written as ln of x. Okay, so these are normally used two types of common logarithm and natural logarithm. So coming to properties of logarithm, so we will discuss some properties. First one, log of xy with base a. So if it is in the form of product, and we don't know log of x into y, but we know separately, like we know log x with base e and we know the value of log y with base a. So we can write it and break it like log x with base a plus log y with base a. Okay, so it is case of multiplication. Okay, second one is in case of division, like we have to find log of x by y with base a. It is written as log x with base a minus log y with base a. Okay, so one form can be converted to other, and if it is given, you can write as this. Third property, log x with base x. Okay, when base is also x, then its value will be equal to 1. Okay, coming to next property, property number 4, log 1 with base a. Okay, log 1 is always 0. Okay, it will be always 0. Coming to next property, log x to the power p with base a. So in case of power, what happens? This power comes before log. So it can be written as p into log x with base a. Okay. Next is log of x with base a, and if we write in another form, we can interchange base and x. Okay, so it is log x, log a with base x. Okay, next property is log x with base a. So if we take same base like log x with base b divided by log a with base b. Okay, and if we don't write the base, we will assume base as same, so log x by log a. Next property, a to the power log x with base a, it will be equal to x. Next property is x to the power log y with base a will be equal to y to the power log x with base a. Okay, and next property is log of x to the power p and base is a to the power q. Okay, base is a to the power q and x to the power p. We have to find the log. So in this case, power of x will become numerator and power of base will become denominator, and it can be written as log x with base a. Okay, so using these properties we can solve problems easily. So now we will discuss some problems. So here you can see what we have to do. Here we have to evaluate and find the values. Okay, so log 27 with base 3, it can be written as log 3, and 27 is nothing but 3 to the power 3. Okay, so power will come before log and it will be multiplied. So 3 into log of 3 with base 3. Now as this and base are equal, so it will be equal to 1. So 3 into 1, it will be equal to 3. Next one, log 1 by 343 with base 7. So it can be written as log 1 by 7 to the power 3 and base is 7. So it can be written as log 7 to the power minus 3 with base 7. So power will be multiplied with log and it will come here. Minus 3 into log 7 with base 7. So it will be 1. So minus 3 into 1 and it is equal to minus 3. Coming to next one, log 100, log 0.01 with base 100. So it can be written as log 100 1 by 100. Okay, so it is nothing but log 100 to the power minus 1 with base 100. Okay, so minus 1 will go here and log 100 with base 100, so it will be equal to 1 and into minus 1, so answer will be minus 1. Okay, next one, log 128 with base 8. So using log property we can write 128 as 2 to the power 7, and 8 it can be written as 2 to the power 3. Okay, now using log properties it will be 7 by 3 and log 2 with base 2. So it will be 7 by 3 into 1 and the answer will be 7 by 3. We will discuss one more problem. See, here we have to simplify the given expression. Okay, so using log property we can simplify this. So first we will write the given expression log 75 by 16 minus twice of log 5 by 9 plus log 32 by 243. Okay, so using log properties we have to solve this. Log 75 by 16, see 2 is here, so we can take it as power of 5 by 9. Okay, minus log of 5 by 9 to the power 2 plus log of 32 by 243. Okay, now it can be written as log 75 by 16 minus log 5 by 9 to the power 2, that is 25 by 81 plus log of 32 by 243. Okay, so using log property, as log a plus log b equal log x plus log y equal to log of x into y, and log x minus log y equal to log x by y. So using that property we can write it as log 75 by 16 into 32 by 243 divided by 25 by 81. So it can be written as log of 75 by 16 into 32 by 243 into 81 by 25. So if we divide it will become 3. So it is 81. 81 will cancel out and 16 into 2. So our answer will be log 2. Okay friends. So in this lecture we have discussed about logarithm and its properties, and we have solved problems on the basis of our discussion. Okay friends, thank you.